The Cell and Gene Therapy Catapult did a skills survey to see the real size of the challenge in the industry and the number of people they were looking for, the industry was looking for to come into the business was 7,000, and the 21 survey showed that it's 15,000, most of those jobs in manufacturing. So it's an absolutely massive challenge in the industry, and that's right across all of the disciplines, but primarily in manufacturing. And because it's such a massive challenge, then it's going to need significant intervention to meet this challenge. And the UK government has put in a pretty significant intervention. And it's really, the way that we've done it is it's really driven by industry. It's a collaboration driven by industry, coordinated by the CGT Catapult. And we don't think that one solution is going to be able to cut this because it is such a massive issue. So we've looked at a number of interventions that really come together in a holistic package to solve this solve this problem. So we have the Advanced Therapy Apprenticeship scheme, which is a scheme which has the government backing so that there's a tax incentive for companies to get involved in it. However, there is no incentive that's needed because there is such a challenge for these companies anyway. And these apprenticeships are for school leavers, they're for graduates, postgraduates, people who are coming from within other industries into this particular industry, but as I say, right from the school leavers. And then there's also the national training centres as well. So this is a network of the 3 training centres, and the CGT Catapult are also putting a facility in Stevenage. And the reason that we've done this that we've coordinated this with 3 independent centres is mainly so that we can really make use of the facilities that are already there, so that we can capitalise on that expertise and those facilities, but also create local specialisms to meet the local industries as well, such as the one that is in Stevenage, because we've got a lot of collaborators there who are doing clinical stage manufacture, then to have skills there for clean room skills, for early stage manufacturers as well, was very important to put that in place. And then we also have an online training platform as well, which is really working in collaboration with a lot of different parties. There's a lot of training content that's out there if we're getting it all in one place so that everybody can find it really accessibly. And then there's also putting together virtual reality platforms, working with existing providers like PAL OAT to create CGTC specific training as well there. And that was put together at warp-neck speed when it came to the vaccine task force requiring this to be able to train people to manufacture the COVID-19 vaccines. But that's also being rolled out into the CGT industry. But it's also working with some of the newcomers, or the relative newcomers, when it comes to the VR side of things, such as 4Plus, who are establishing CGT-specific modules within their platform. And then there's also Augmented Reality. Again, that's a collaboration with a number of parties. So the advanced manufacturing industries is not just cell and gene therapy, there's aerospace and a number of other advanced manufacturing areas. And those areas come together under a banner called the Advanced Manufacturing Research Council, and we're working in collaboration with them to establish augmented reality solutions as well. Oh, and there are also a number of initiatives that the various industry partners who are driving the skills platform as well, they're putting in place themselves in collaboration with academia. So companies like Oxford Biomedica really drove this within the UK, and also Fujifilm and Charles River. And then universities like UCL, Oxford University, Birmingham University as well, all working together, and there is now a postgraduate, an MSc in cell and gene therapies as well. And all of these things together, so we've looked across the industry and really mapped out where these people are going to come from. And even with all these initiatives, with the best will in the world, we're not going to be able to pull enough people in unless we start outreach into schools and really try to get the school leavers to see this as a brilliant career. And also working with a careers converter to try and look at the transferable skills from the other industries, so to direct people with their transferable skills to the right role within the CGT industry. So there's a lot of initiatives here, lots of different things working together, the apprenticeships, online training platform, VR, AR, national training centres, the postgraduate opportunities as well, all, and the careers converter, all coming together to try and drive people into this industry and create a skilled workforce in the UK.